In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Wix account. So for that, all you need to do is sign in on Wix, of course, and then you should be able to see your own profile at the top right corner, and you want to click on that. Now once you do so, you'll launch this drop-down menu where you should be able to find account settings. So click on account settings. This will send you over to the settings page where you can delete your account. So we'll just have to wait for this to load, and there we go. You then want to scroll all the way down. Right there, it will say close your Wix account. Okay, so to close your account, first, move any remaining sites to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you'll need to cancel or transfer them first. Okay, so make sure that you actually do that. So for that, I'm going to click on Learn More, and then we're going to find out exactly what we need to do and to know in order to do that. You could then go to the steps right there, go to step number 4, close your account, and then click on this blue link, which will send you over to this page. All you need to do is click on close Wix account now, right there, and then you should be able to delete your Wix account. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and get back to you. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.